Hello Virgos, welcome back to my channel. As Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 16th of August and beyond. Okay, so these cards just flipped while I was like shuffling, and just give me a second. I am getting the vibe of like your dearest desire is coming true. I feel like you were planning on actually or desiring on going somewhere, meeting with someone specific, and this meeting is love related, and I feel it is coming true. Okay, I also get this vibe of like possible in coming 3 days to 3 weeks this meeting is going to happen. I also feel like someone is returning. When I say someone is returning, this is basically you people been talking, and it is something connected with you people desire to connect. This may be long distance between you both because someone might be traveling, and if this is not the case, they are coming. Okay, they've been away for a while and now they are coming. Now these 3 cards are telling me that kind of energy. With the 3 of Cups energy, you're having the best of time in this time frame. Whatever your time frame is, this is 2 of Cups. You've been enjoying yourself, enjoying the bliss, and with the 3 of Wands energy, your connections are getting more strong, more bonded. Whatever it is, this is your dearest desire, wish coming true. Now the message that came through, I'm going to keep these cards back, okay? And you also have the bottom energy is King of Swords energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe may be connected with you, and I feel finally, I'm hearing the word finally. There's reunion, get together, maybe there's certain kind of celebration, and in coming 3 weeks or 3 days, something is going to happen that is going to energize you. Okay, now I'm also getting this energy of like bestow, so something will be bestowed upon you, and it is like I heard moon is bestowing upon you their moonlight, which is about some things might be changing around moon rituals. If you do that, if you hear that, you may check that something special is connected with that concept. Maybe something is really connected with the Piscean here, and also like realizations, and I feel like revealing is more appropriate here. Someone is going to reveal you their feelings, and I feel this, if there's someone who is a Piscean, they love you, they love you, they love you. Okay, and if this is not connected with the Piscean, then again someone is bestowing you like with love and blessing. I feel this is a gorgeous feeling, and I also get this vibe of someone is going to make you even realize their, you know, not that exactly the worth, but it's something that they're going to make you realize that what it is between you and the person. Okay, so if this is a long distance connection or relationship between you both, then someone is coming, there's a reunion, there's union. This is something special time frame fixed for you guys. Okay, so that's what I say. There may be younger Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I don't know where you fall in the age groups, but for me age is just a number, it's flowing, but we have to consider it, right? So let's start. Yes, definitely 2 of Cups is coming here. Now we are going to flip it. Someone was keeping a back, how we say, they were not taking that step, they were not actually giving you releasing that news. There's going to be releasing of the news. Okay, which news is going to be very important for you, Virgos. So moon is very powerful here, and moon is also making you realize many things, especially feelings. Whatever wasn't like short, like abbreviations, is going to be like written in like full. Okay, if that makes sense. Okay, so as I said, there's an Aries, a Leo, Sagittarius energy as well. Now for some of you, this is going to be 8th August itself, the month, and someone is returning, okay, as they promised, or this is something connected with, again, in coming 3 weeks someone is coming. So again, while you leave August, something is happening in September, maybe around your birthday. Okay, birth dates and all that stuff. There is definitely a Jack of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So maybe this is something connected with the person. Maybe there is age difference, not necessarily, so someone may be younger. However, this is curiosity that is connected with your stability and frequent talk or frequent things connected with your, you know, I heard the word mission. I don't know what kind of mission you have. This is your energy. You are more energetic. You have like certain kind of transformations in your life. Maybe it is connected with your work area or physique. Something is happening here which is making you more curious. Okay, curiosity, definitely. Okay, I also see someone might act in like a stubborn way. I don't know why, but they have that rigidity. Okay, to make you possible to prove you something. I don't know what, because this is not you. Okay, this is not you though, but as an energy form, your energy is all about feeling more light and energetic. That's what I say. Let's see. So very nice. You've been getting more options than usual. Okay, maybe because of your situation that is changing. Something is how to say, stretching. It's like stretching horizon. So it's like stretching area, fence. You don't have those lines, you don't have those fences now. You're actually expanding your area. Yes, expansion I see, and which is very good. Again, there is something definitely emotional. The reason is not just because we are reading tarots and something need to be emotional. No, it is because when it comes, it comes. So here moon is definitely telling emotional situation here. Okay, you're going to figure out something very important about this particular energy who is either connected with you or you are connecting. Okay, let's see. You're feeling more light, as in total energy, heart energy overall. Feeling more light, more curious, more energetic, you know, physique wise, everything wise. Okay, mind is more active, like it's less of stress, more active. Makes sense? It's like more lighter opportunity, more lighter version of you, updated. Let's say Five of Pentacles. This is where you're coming from. You're coming from some kind of like struggle, trouble, maybe work related situation, and you were figuring out solutions. It's also leaving something or taking certain decision was really difficult for you, of course, but you, I feel ultimately you did it. Okay, we are going to see what, because it's where you're coming from. However, we need to focus on our present and just curiosity is connected with the future, but we need to live here and then move. Okay, this is what we learn. So I see here, okay, that kind of energy. Again, Five of Cups. Yes, whatever was difficult, you learned from that. Yes. We're going to take 2 cards each, like from where you're coming and where you are. So in your present, this is 6 of Pentacles, which is very good. There might be again King of Hearts energy, Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces connected with you. However, I saw the moon as well, so Piscean might be. Okay, there is something connected with triple. I heard, oh my god, triple. And you have 3 of Wands energy, and we got in the startup as well 3 cards, which was 3 of Cups. Okay, partying, get together, enjoyment, that kind of vibe of from tarot. Then 2 of Cups, meeting, then 3 of Wands energy, triple something. So maybe this is something that you have and what you want. This is also your wish, your desire. It's also something that you're planning in coming 3 weeks or possible 3 months. Okay. Now here I see your time is coming. Your time has come, because 6 of Pentacles energy is something changed right from 6th month of this year 2021, and it was very like expansion of something happened. Maybe it was work opportunity, or it is work opportunity still on. It is also something that you are feeling very light. I feel give and take, right opportunity at the right time. It is also affection that you are getting, the support that you are getting. So you're coming from hurdles, or let us say your own fight here. What you left, why you left. This is also dare that you took. 5 of Hearts energy, Cups energy is certain disappointments connected with your life, early life. Okay, I told that some of you are going through like, you know, physical appearances transformation. So this is also lighter version of you. You might have done something for yourself, and which was so important that now you are so fresh, you're so energetic, and you're looking to the back as in just like reflection and analyzing, okay, I came a long way. This is for some of you might be crucial moment of certain relationship in your life which was disappointing. Okay, saddened faces, hopes connected, but now you might have something very important in your life that you really need to or want to consider. Or the changes, those are coming. Eight of Wands energy. I heard the word booking, so maybe something is connected with, again, 8th month booking, or by the end of 8th month, in the month of September, you're going to have a certain meeting with someone. This may be connected with work or friendship related or love related, again, because you started your reading with some get-togethers, reunions, some important meetings, or just friendly get-togethers, okay? So or someone you really adore, you really love. This is further movement, this is travel, trip, organization. Also 8th month is very important for you. Then again, this is something that is calling booking. So I said maybe you're booking regarding some business related, work related trip, or this is something is going to organize well, okay? Your organization is quite beautiful ahead. You've been having a lot of patience regarding something, but now time has come. Time has come. Look, you've been preparing yourself for something. It was busy schedule, push and pull, defenses up at times, won't allow, can't allow to let something seep in new, or you are preparing yourself. That's what is. 7 of Wands energy with this is you cannot, I must say that you should not let it go, and you can't afford to let loose of this because you worked really hard for something here. Then again, you have 8 of Wands and connecting card is 2 of Wands energy. Again, this is something which is connected with decisions, and I also feel this is coming like subtraction, like there were 3, then coming 2, then you're making a move here. Also, it's your hopes connected with planning preparations in the future. So this may be the 2 places you're going to often, or frequent visits will be happening. Like it's like back and forth. So this is something connected till time you set or you settle somewhere. 12-12 recording time. So this may be decision between 2 as well. Very, very crucial conversation is on hold, waiting, and it's going to happen soon, okay? So we're going to see from Rider what is. So are you booking something because you're planning on visiting some place, okay? Please give us energy. Please give us the energy. For Virgos, what is coming? Okay. Virgos, the biggest opportunity bestow upon you. Moon, your emotional fulfillment, your career related thing. Whatever the opportunity is, this is Ace of Pentacles. Laying the foundation for something huge in your life. Very nice. So important meeting may be connected with this, or important emotional communication as well. And Hermit is a Virgo card itself. You're on the search. You're on looking out. Look out on something. Like you've done your work now. You've done the healing and everything. It's nice here. But this is what is calling you. Okay? There may be, again, signs, as I said, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, or an Aquarius. But I see like Hermit is your energy. Hermit is your energy. Okay, very important phase of your life will be unleashed, revealed. Okay, you have the High Priestess energy here and 6 of Pentacles. So important, it's repeating. So this might be trying to tell you that what is the important phase of your life. Okay, something is there and you're not actually showcasing it. It just you have half information. You might not be having full information regarding this, but this is important phase. So whatever your intuition is telling you, because it is written, something is written between the doors. So you are the secret keeper here. You know what it is, but it's all about your pomegranates. It's all about your fertility. It's all about what is to come. Okay, and someone is going to be, maybe it's the energy of like you don't know, but you're going to get dramatic help or guidance or counseling from some place. This is also the energy of revelations between the back and forth energies or the decisions here. Whatever it is, it's going to be beautiful. Okay, also you're going to figure out someone's feelings, how much they appreciate you, how much they love you, and how much they want to do for you. Okay, take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.